program the Honeywell Home Pro series. It's just so you can have the heat on, as you can see. I don't know if you can hear. I do have heat now coming in. I would have the issue where this thermostat would turn on, but then it would turn off. And I finally figured out, thanks to some guy on YouTube named Mike Jag. Unfortunately, the video was pretty old. It was a 2-year-old video, so I thought I'd just record a new one for you guys here. Credit will be given to him if you want to check out his channel in the description. But other than that, let's just get right into it. So what you're going to want to do here is, you see all these options here. You're going to want to push menu and the plus and hold those two at the same time. And then you should get a menu that says ISU on there. You just keep clicking through that until you get to 430. Now this controls the minimum temperature that your thermostat would allow to be at. So if you want to turn it down, turn it up. Mine was at 50. It was 50 degrees. So I turned it all the way up to 75, and now it's been running pretty smooth ever since. So yeah, just remember that if you guys need this. But yeah, that's it. After you do all that, you get the setting that you want. You just keep clicking select until you go all the way through. It says done, and that's it. It should have a little thing that says save on there, and it starts loading a little bar. Then after that, you're good. Hope you enjoyed the video, and have a good day.